In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project titled Company Standard Operating Procedures, or SOPs. We're going to set this up in a way that is clean, organized, and easy for your team to use. The goal is to build a central place where employees can quickly find the procedures they need, follow consistent instructions, and access training materials without confusion. To begin, create a new project and name it Company Standard Operating Procedures, or simply Company SOPs if you prefer a shorter title. This project will act as the main hub for your internal process documentation. Giving it a clear, professional name is important because it helps everyone immediately understand its purpose and makes it easier to locate later. Once the project is created, the next step is to organize it by department. Create separate sections for each major area of the business, such as finance, human resources, and fulfillment. If your company has additional departments, you can follow the same structure there as well. This layout keeps information grouped logically, so team members only need to go to the section that applies to their role. It also makes the project easier to maintain over time as procedures grow. After your sections are in place, start creating a task for each individual procedure. Think of each task as a single SOP document. The task title should clearly describe the procedure, and inside the task include the full instructions in detail. Add the steps in the correct order, and make sure the wording is simple and specific so there's no room for misunderstanding. If a process involves multiple actions, approvals, or checkpoints, include all of that directly within the task so the procedure is complete and self-contained. For any procedure that would benefit from demonstration, embed a training video directly into the task. This is especially helpful for repeatable workflows, software-related processes, or tasks that are easier to learn visually. Combining written instructions with video training gives team members two ways to understand the process, which can improve consistency and reduce onboarding time. Finally, protect the integrity of your SOPs by setting tasks to read only or locking permissions to prevent unauthorized edits. This is a very important step because standard operating procedures should remain consistent unless they are intentionally updated by the right person. Restricting edits helps prevent accidental changes, outdated instructions, or conflicting versions of the same process. Once everything is in place, you'll have a structured SOP project that is organized by department, detailed at the procedure level, supported with training videos, and protected from unwanted edits. This creates a reliable resource your team can trust and use every day.